We are uncovering more tonight about the man investigators say stabbed another driver on the Howard Frankland Bridge yesterday. It was a scene that played out over several hours here, and this is what it looked like, an absolute mess.
A lot of people stuck in this traffic for many hours yesterday morning and wondering what was going on. Well, this is what drivers who were there watched unfold live, of course, as they were on the ground with them, sharing these photos with 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser, who has been looking into this bizarre instance of what appears to have been road rage.
Well, the Florida Highway Patrol has identified the man in that incident as 39-year-old Patrick Scruggs. Scruggs was booked into the Pinellas County Jail on a $10,000 bond, which he paid and was released. We were there exclusively when he got back to his home in Tampa's Seminole Heights neighborhood earlier today.
Mr. Scruggs, is there anything you would want to say?
But the 39-year-old had nothing to say before heading inside. Scruggs' LinkedIn page lists him as an attorney with Barnes and Thornburg. That's a law firm with offices around the country, including one in South Florida, but no address in Tampa. The U.S. Attorney's Office also confirms to us that he served as an assistant U.S. attorney in Orlando between 2012 and April of this year. Scruggs is now accused of stabbing a driver several times along the Howard Frankland Bridge yesterday. Florida Highway Patrol says it started with an incident of someone apparently losing consciousness on the bridge. Another man and woman in a second car tried to render aid, but when the person in the first car regained consciousness, they say he tried to take off, striking the couple's car, and then a third car, which was being driven by Scruggs. Investigators say that's when Scruggs exited his vehicle and began to stab the man. A witness, Tara Iglinski, captured these images that appear to show Scruggs with a knife in his hand and the driver wounded.
I just saw that he was standing there strangely, and then I saw the arms of the other person, and I was trying to figure out why they were bleeding so much and all of that. So it was a little bit crazy. It seems so strange that he would react in that way, and I just can't help but wonder if it was just a moment of temporary. I don't know, but I hope that everyone's okay.
The Florida Highway Patrol says when the other couple involved in the incident tried to intervene, Scruggs allegedly threatened them too, so they left. Scruggs has now been charged with aggravated battery, a man who appears to have decades of experience with the law, now on the wrong side of it. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
We reached out to the Florida Highway Patrol for more information about the names and conditions of the other drivers involved in yesterday's incident, but have not yet heard back.